Oh my God, boy, he got his Glock. Oh my God, boy, that boy on top. What? Sip and walk, make my heart stop. What? All these hoes, yeah, my love, my thigh.
Alright, guys, it's finally time. The first Beta RR50 review on YouTube. Today we are gonna be reviewing my Beta RR50 with the Tuningkit exhaust and my friend's Beta RR50 with the Platek front pipe exhaust with the most Shorty silencer. So first things first, this one is a 2023 model and this one is a 2025 model. What's the difference, you may think? Absolutely fucking nothing. It's the same thing, my man. Mine goes 77 kilometers an hour. His goes like around the same thing. I think he can push it to 80 kilometers an hour. We haven't tested it yet. It will come in this video further away. We will do a speed test, a sound test, a range test. We will do fucking everything for this video. Why choose the Beta and not a Sherco or a Derby or whatever? Why choose a Beta? The reason you would choose a Beta
is because we are alphas.
So the thing is with the Beta, alright? Point the camera back to me because I'm the one talking here. That it's Italian, boys. Fucking Italian. Why the fuck would you choose any other bike than made in Italy? You know Italians are known for Ferrari, Lamborghini, Ducati and Beta. That's why I would personally choose Beta. Not only because of his nationality. Of course, I'm not racist. I'm European. I only choose European girls. For example, my girlfriend. Another reason why you would buy this Beta. The thing is with the Beta, it is very tunable. Anything you want under this structure, you just need to do the right thing. Imagine you want to put 100cc, you can. It's just gonna be a little bit hard because then you have to change the crankshaft, the carburetor and buy a whole new bike almost. But you can do it all. It is actually a 49cc motorcycle, which is water cooled, which is very nice. When you're driving, you don't want your bike to overheat. Come a little bit closer because you need to see this. There is written made in Italy. I'm sorry, but if you're buying any bike, you want that on it. Look at the color of this beautiful bike. The structure is painted red with black and you have a white sticker set with black and red and you have a spanking red seat, very sexy, and you would like to fuck it. Keys are very nice. They are built like normal keys because they are keys. So go key yourself in your hole. The thing is with his Beta, he got the sport. He has domino handlebars, which is extremely fucking ugly. But I myself, I have, you can see Beta handlebars on both sides.
This is why I'm alpha and not beta. The bike is compensating for the fact that I'm the alpha. I'm taking all the fucking alpha energy and this bike is taking the beta energy, okay?
Also, it has an AM6 motor block, which means that between 5th speed and the 6th speed, it will find neutral. Like you can see, my Beta actually looks very stock because I have the stock silencer, I have the stock this, but it isn't actually. Alright, also, the brakes are incredibly good. I bought mine second hand and they are still feeling like fresh. The suspension lies here, but when you buy the Trek model, it's inverted, which is a little bit better and looks nicer. But why pay extra 500 euro to just get an inverted suspension? That's the only thing that's different from the Trek model and the normal Beta RR50. If you're asking me, you can buy with that money a new exhaust and you can bypass every single 50cc bike. It is also not electric start, of course, because 50cc, who's gonna electric start it? It is with the kickstart. It's very simple, you just kick on it and it has foot brakes, the gas pedal, the front brake, kill switch, the keys, you can lock it, put it on kill switch or put it on. You have the screen with a very small battery life. You may want to change it if you want to put a new headlight on your Beta. You would probably need to change the battery because it is very small. Also, the oil mixture is done automatically on the newer models. It's very nice because you do not have to do anything. Yesterday I filled it up after 3 months of riding. It's Euro 5 and it's octane 89. So if you put 85, you're fucked. I will show you how to open this. You just turn it, of course. All right. And then here you go, little butt plug, boom. If you are alone at night, if you don't know what to do, take your Beta, sniff some of the gasoline, and you'll be happy for the rest of the week. Let's talk about this front fender. What the fuck is this? The whole bike is looking motocross except for this part. I'm sorry, but Beta, fix that, please. If it rains, your whole body gets fucked and you get all the gravel, all the sand, everything on you just because of this. very short ass fucking fender. But like you can see, 49cc. And look at this. This is the gas. This is now on. And when you put it in the middle, it's off. And when you put it here, you have a reserve tank. You have actually an extra place for your gas to sit in. You can see right here, that little hole right there. That right there is the air intake, okay? You want to tune your bikey, take these two bolts off, unplug it. And there's this cable right here. You can see this one? That's your rev limiter. Comment down below if you're not sure which one it is. I will let you know, okay? Just send me a photo on TikTok, on Instagram. And look at the sharp, like, this is so... finger holes where you put your fingers. Look, the Starkvark has it here, under the seat. But we have it here, because why not waste all of your oil, let it come here, and just make your hands super dirty because of the oil that comes right out of the exhaust, just right on the handle. They could have made LED. No, they had to be big as fucking, some big ugly ass ET looking. Right here, this is the carburetor. It's 16 millimeters. It is a 6-speed bike. It goes one down and all the rest up if it's cold outside, okay? And you want to start your bike. You have the choke. If you pull it all the way, it will stop the air from coming in and give you more gasoline. If you put it half, it's perfect. And I always do this. If it doesn't start after 2 kicks, I put it half. This bike has the BE9K spark plug, which costs like 10 euro. Something I really like, but people don't usually like, is the wheels. People like having sprockets. I know sprockets are nice because you can adjust them if there's a little bump in your wheel. This is not a fucking bicycle, guys. It's a motorcycle. You don't need sprockets. Looking like a goddamn bicycle. Now listen to this beauty. Listen to this. Guys, don't buy the Platek exhaust, it's useless. Buy the tuning kit. This is way louder, what the fuck? Performance-wise, Platek kills me. It destroys the tune. But guys, this might be louder, so pay attention for the police because they will knock you in the ass.
Game's gone left, take a touch, take a breath. I see hella white bees in a party, shaking it off with that 2-piece set. I see hella white ends in a car, G trying to get round like Tokyo Drift. That's Miss Kai and Chris Brown. She want the loud like Tuningkit. Yeah.
This is what happens when I say
She got fans and dreams, no movies. Said you want boys in her. Did you see that? Movies, girl don't act all innocent. You know you can't have boys in your room. You know you want bust down like watch this shirt and her clothes when I tell her what's my manager girl love shaku shaku.